Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the TECKNET anti-shake motorcycle phone mount, a dual vibration dampening holder built for iPhone 17 all the way down to the 13 series, plus any phone between 4.7 and 6.8 inches. If you ride a motorcycle, bicycle, or scooter and want rock-solid stability on the handlebars, this mount might be exactly what you need. If you've ever hit a bump in the road and watched your phone wobble like it's about to launch into orbit, this one's for you. Today we're testing the TECKNET anti-shake motorcycle phone mount, a dual dampening, handlebar-ready holder designed for iPhones and most 4.7 to 6.8 inch devices. This is really simple to install. Let me show you just how easy it is. It honestly couldn't be any easier. It comes with a rubber seal that keeps the mount tight and protects the paintwork on your handlebar. Simply tighten the plastic knob and it will clamp down to the right level, keeping the holder firmly in place. Now for the holder itself. As you can see, it's well built, sturdy, and easily supports larger phones even with the case on. It has plenty of vibration dampening built in, though I'm not entirely sure it's even necessary. I didn't buy it for that feature, but it could definitely be helpful. Once the phone is in place, there's a locking mechanism that stops the arms from moving or suddenly popping open. Now for the holder itself. Just push it into place, tighten it from the back, and that's all there is to it. Let's see what it looks like with a phone inside. It does hold the phone tight, maybe too tight as I struggle to get the phone out. Once it's locked in place, the mechanism won't move, and that's what keeps your phone secure. From the side view, you can really see the dampeners and the locking switch, and the phone sits very securely inside. I was in the middle of repairing the bike, so I didn't really get the chance to demonstrate it while riding. But this holder is brilliant, and I'm confident it will perform perfectly on motorbikes as well as any type of bicycle. Thank you for watching.